Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cooking ugali and spinach stew for my Luyah man, and I'm going to start off by preparing all of my ingredients before we go on. But first of all, I'm going to boil my goat meat. Let's prepare this. So first of all, I'm going to cut my veggies because I need vegetables for this. I already cut my spinach. Um, I think I'll just blend this. Yeah. I think Kenya people like to cut things with hands a lot, and for me that is stressful. So I'm going to blend this because I'm going to cut into smaller pieces before I blend. Put everything in the blender. So while this is blending, I'm going to prepare to cook my goat meat. Now my meat is ready. I'm adding my tomatoes. I'm going to let it cook. So I've added in my spinach and my salt to taste. Guys, I've been cooking ugali with um, skumawiki, and I mean, it was just there. I didn't really like that the skumawiki doesn't get soft. But for me, I leave it to cook for a long time so that the skumawiki is softer. But when I tried the ugali with the spinach, oof, I love it. It is so tasty. So I'm going to be sticking with spinach most of the time for my ugali. So now I'm going to leave this to simmer for a bit. I'm talking like I'm already a pro at making ugali. But yeah, this is not my first time, but this is the first time I'm filming myself cook ugali with goat soup. So when it simmers for a bit, then I'm going to make my ugali. Yay! Now that my soup is ready, it's time to make the ugali. So let's go. So in order to be sure that the water is ready, I have to put some ugali flour. Okay, so when it disperses, that means it is ready. So I can add some flour. I don't like it when my ugali is very, very hard because it's difficult for me to eat it. So I make it my way. make it a little bit not soft, but chewable. Not the one that when you're doing it, it's breaking. When you're trying to take it to eat it, it breaks. For my Nigerians that wonder how this is made, this is basically made like semovita, just the same method. I even add extra water for it to cook a bit. So the ugali flour in Uganda is mostly the one that has been sifted, so it is different from this one. And I miss this one so much. Like when I came back and I ate this, I was like, I didn't know I had missed you. My ugali is almost ready. I'm just going to add a little bit of water for it to cook the way I like it. Yeah.
Consistency.
You like it?
Now let's try. Love it.
Okay. The soup.
Can you see I'm chewing? Let me enjoy.
Okay. Yummy. Yeah, this is how I like my ugali. Not the one that you break and then it is breaking apart. Awesome. And someone said my ugali is so delicious and the soup is I guess I'm not a pro at speaking ugali. What do you guys think? Did I try? Let me know in the comments. Bye. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. My name is Missy. You can call me the black coffee without cream or sugar. Bye.